and fires downhill. Swing and a miss on a first pitch fastball. Chang winds home the 0-1. And a fastball just in tight for ball. It's the 1-1. And that's a fastball at the deep. And the 1-2. Check swing, ball in the dirt on the appeal. He didn't go around to it here. And the 2-2. Swinging a fly ball served up in the air to right center. Valdez with the sunglasses on, angles into the alley, stops in half. Faces the righty-handed Miller. First pitch is outside for a ball. And 90 curveball changeup mix. The 1-0. And Miller takes from the windup 1-1. And a curveball high that time. The 25 driven in. And the 2-1. Miller clubs one deep down the left. The 2-2. Swinging a grounder foul, third base side of the calm. And the 2-2. Swing and a miss for a strike three. And Chang strikes him out. Highly contested series. As Saltabon takes a fastball low and now 1-0. Swinging a foul back behind Tome. It's 1-1. Got it by 2 runs. 1-1. Slow roller foul. 1-2 from Chang. Sharp hit ground ball foul again. And the 1-2. Swinging a number first base side. Plaz has it right next to the base and takes it himself. A 1-2. Big power lefty awaits the first pitch. Here it is. And that's a sinker cut on a miss down for the 0-1. And a slow breaking ball. Here's the 0-2. Swinging a pop foul off the left side from the windup. The 0-2. Swinging a number third base side, and it's going to spin foul. The big alley in right center. The 0-2. High and away. Miss with a changeup. It's 1-2. 1-2. Swinging a line drive. Scorch back up in the center field. Base hit. Drops in front of. First pitch to Hediger. Wave and a miss and a breaking ball down and in for strike one. Tied for the most in the entire Florida State League. And the 0-1's outside. The 1-1. That's in tight for a ball. 2-1. Chang set the 2-1. Off the plate outside. It's 3-1. Chang sets and the pitch. Swinging a pop foul out of play behind him. For him, a nice change of pace. 3-2. And he tucks the fastball down and in for ball 4. So a single now Walker to start this second inning brings up Jared. Thomas a lefty open stance and he takes low for ball 1. Long stare to second base and fires the 1-0. And a curveball sinks low. It's 2-0. 2-0. Swinging a pop-up left side of the infield. Infield fly ball is going to be in effect here. Rivas does make the catch behind the mound. First pitch. And that's down and in the dirt for ball first half of the season. The 1-0. Swinging a ground ball right side. It's through into right field. Base hit. Fires. Touches third. He's coming home. Throw goes into third base. And it's just late. Valdez with a good arm. But it kicks home first pitch. And slider down and away for ball. The 1-0. And that's on the inside corner for a call for first. The 1-1. Breaking ball. Lifted in the air to deep right. Valdez backs up and now he rocks forward. Has the catch. And that will score. Hediger from third base. Sacrifice fly for Rylan Heredia. Opening pitch to him is a fastball. Kneecap high called strike. One of the best bullpens this year. And the 0-1's whiffed out and missed on a break. 0-2. Check swing. And it's downstairs for 1-2. Swing and a miss for strike 3. Power fastball right past him. Second strikeout for Chang, but 2 runs home in the inning. Righty Pierce Bennett at the plate shows bunt and fouls it back. That's from the back hip and the 0-1. And he tugs a breaking ball in the dirt for a ball. Phillies single A affiliate. The 1-1. And breaking ball high. It's 2-1. And he moves around the Pittsburgh Pirates order. 2-1. That's in tight for ball 3. 3-1. Fastball chopped on the infield. Delgado backs up from towards the edge of the outfield grass. Strong throw gets him. Roster needs some guys. And first pitch is a fastball down and away. Chang's 1-0. And a big, heavy curveball. The 1-1. Fastball. Slow roller towards third. Rivas gobbles it up. Throws across the diamond. Throw is true. On. Base is empty in the 1-1. The first pitch is a fastball. The 0-1. And that's down. The 1-1. And a breaking ball on the inside. AAA. Grant Koch designated for assignment. And a swing and a miss for strike 3. A nice bounce. Righty Hung Lung Cheng strides home. And the first pitch is outside. The 1-0. Swinging a fly ball. Struck well. The left field. Bishop running in towards the line. Makes the catch. An option down at AAA to get some more at bats in. First pitch is ripped out and missed by Caden Hediger for Pirates this afternoon. And the 0-1 curveball is on the outside. The 0-2 from Chang. That's down and in. 1-2. There's another breaking ball off the plate. And the 2-2. Check swing. He got him on a low-scoring games between the two. As Jared Thomas swings, lines one in the hole. One hopper speared by Toledo from shallow right field. Beautiful play there on a 1-2-3. Right-hander Hung Lung Cheng. First pitch is a breaking ball, low and inside. The 1-0. And Polanco Grego takes outside. 2-0. And he rifles it back to the screen. 2-1. Swinging a fly ball. Head out towards the alley in right center. Valdez flashing up his hand to Polanco. And has first pitch to him. And that bounces in for a ball. The 1-0. And pitch on the inner third called a single and a walk to start the second to score the run. 1-1's low. It's 2-0. And kicks 2-1. Fastball high and in. And the 3-1 home. Fastball scalded foul, third base. Pitch is a broken bat. Playoff contention. 3-2. Swinging a foul off of Alfonso. And they have a new life in the second half. 3-2. Called third strike. And Heredia goes down looking. Chang would be in the top of the fifth. 2-1 lead for them. And a curveball bounces in for ball one. Came in the second inning. The 1-0. Fastball high. It is 2-0. And a fastball on the outside edge. Carlson read on Thursday. As a 2-1. Popped up right behind him. Even 2-2. Swing a grounder foul. The 2-2. Swing and a miss. Change of pace there with a change. Here's Bennett, the right-hander, steps in. First pitch is a fastball. Bell tie called strike. Then the 0-1. And that's down and away for a ball. 0-2. And that one's low. On. Chang sets 1-2. Check swing, and he went around for a strike 3. Struck out the last 3 men. Here's Aiden Miller, the righty. With 1 out, base is empty. The 1-0. And a breaking ball on the inside edge called. Ball 1 strike, the pitch. Swinging a topper off the plate. Rivas charging in, bare hands on the run. It's dropped by Plaza at first, which I think Miller would have beat it out either. First pitch, the righty. Swinging a fly ball out towards left field. Bishop towards the line. Dives, can't get it. It rolls past him as Miller gets the windmill around third base. He's in to score. Now Saltaban is slamming on the brakes at third base with an RBI triple. And that brings it back to a 1-run ball game. Saltaban now a 12-game on-base streak for him. Akurai 7 strikeouts. Bo responds with a man on at third base. New hour of the ball game for the Marauders. 4-3 Bradenton in the 6th.